Moving overseas is exciting, a new country, a fresh start. But let's be honest, it's also a big leap of faith. You're packing up your life, trusting it to a cargo container, and sending it thousands of miles away. And no matter how carefully we prepare, things can go wrong. That's why international moving insurance exists. It's not just a formality, it's the safety net that protects your peace of mind when the unexpected hits. Let me tell you a true story. A couple we helped, we'll call them the Mitchells, moved from California to Spain in early 2023. They sold their home, packed everything, 2 kids, a dog, and a container full of their lives. They declined insurance, said they'd never needed it before. But during the ocean crossing, their vessel hit severe weather, one of the strongest North Atlantic systems in recent years. The ship lost 8 containers. One of them was theirs. Gone. Just like that. No coverage, no reimbursement, only regret. They arrived in Spain with 4 suitcases and nothing else. At SDC International Shipping, we offer 2 insurance options to help prevent that kind of heartbreak. First, total loss insurance. This is basic protection that covers you if your entire shipment is lost or destroyed. Second, all-risk cargo insurance. This is the premium option, full coverage from door to door. Damage, theft, moisture, handling, customs mishaps, you name it. Even partial loss or a single damaged item, it's covered. But here's something important. To qualify for all-risk insurance, our team must pack your shipment. That's a requirement from the insurance provider. It ensures everything is packed to international standards, safely and correctly. Now, here's something you might not know. In 2025, extreme weather is disrupting global shipping more than ever. The World Shipping Council reports a 22% increase in container loss incidents in just the past year. Why? Stronger storms, port congestion, labor disputes, global instability, and yes, even cyber attacks on shipping logistics. Also, with customs inspections more aggressive post-COVID, damage during inspection and delays are up across multiple ports, especially in Europe and Southeast Asia. Even if your shipment survives the ocean, it might be opened, handled, or repacked by someone who doesn't know your belongings. Without insurance, none of that is covered. Now imagine you're fully covered. Your container is packed by professionals. You've got an inventory, declared values, protection in place. You sleep better at night because no matter what happens out there, you're not starting from scratch. It's not just about replacing furniture. It's about protecting your transition, your fresh start in a new country. Most of our clients never need to file a claim. But the few who do, they're always thankful they had the coverage. The Mitchells will never make that mistake again. You only get one shot at starting your life abroad, and that's why we say, don't move without protection. Let us guide your international move and protect what matters most. Visit us at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com. That's www.sdcinternationalshipping.com. Or call us toll-free 877-339-0267. That's 877-339-0267. Let's make your international move smart, safe, and stress-free. With SDC International Shipping, peace of mind is part of the journey.